Using the Medicare Plan Finder. Topics to be covered. In this training, we will discuss why you should use the Medicare Plan Finder, how to create and log in to a Medicare.gov account, navigate the Plan Finder when logging in using a Medicare.gov account, and navigate the Plan Finder without logging in using an anonymous search. And lastly, the importance of selecting the correct special enrollment period outside of fall open enrollment. Why use the Plan Finder? The Plan Finder is the best way to compare all the prescription drug plans and dozens of Medicare Advantage plans available from different insurance companies in Massachusetts. Plans change benefits and premiums from year to year. New plans may be added each year. Drug tier and plan formularies change from year to year. And when logging into your Medicare.gov account, you can access prescription drug history and can edit and save information. You can access claims history, and you can compare benefits and costs of your current plan to other available options. Creating your Medicare.gov account. Now let's walk through the process of how to create your Medicare.gov account. Please note the current Medicare Plan Finder screens may appear slightly different than those shown in this presentation. Required information does remain the same. To begin Medicare account creation, please visit medicare.gov/account/login. On the left side of the screen, you will see where you can log in if you already have an account. On the right side, you will find the option to create an account. Once you clicked the Create Account button, you'll be brought to this page where you will enter your Medicare number and Part A coverage date. If you do not have Part A, you can switch to Part B and enter the coverage start date there. Once complete, click Next. Enter your basic information. On the next screen, you will receive a security notice. Once you have read this, select OK. Then you will continue with entering your basic information. Your basic information includes your last name, date of birth, zip code, or city. Email address is not required. If you do not have an email address, click I don't have an email address. Then you will need to agree to the statements. Once done, click Next. Here you will create a username and password. Be sure to use the username and password guidelines and select a secret question and create the answer. Once done, create account. Now that the account has been created, you can now log into your account. If you forgot your username, password, or are unsure if an account exists, please click the appropriate link. You will be prompted to confirm your identity with your Medicare number, last name, and date of birth. Now we will navigate using the Plan Finder tool using a logged in search. First, you will go to medicare.gov/plan-compare. To log in to an existing account, click Login. You will see the login screen. Here you will enter your username and password. Then click Log In. Next, you will see your current plan if you have one, whether you receive extra help or not, other help with drug costs, your pharmacy list or where you have previously looked at drug prices, your current drug list, and the option to shop for plans. You can edit your drug list if needed. You can add recently filled drugs. You can select any medications that were filled in the last 12 months and can edit the frequency and dosage once added to the main list. You can edit or add pharmacies as needed. You can review up to 5 pharmacies at a time. When selecting pharmacies, you can search by your location, street name, or zip code. You can also search by pharmacy name. Lastly, you can expand the search area by filtering pharmacy distance. As you select pharmacies, you can click Add Pharmacy. This will add the pharmacy to the bottom of the screen on a blue ribbon. You can review up to 5 at a time. Once you have selected the ones you would like to add, click Done. Now we will start the plan search. On the plan summary page, once you have logged in, you will find a section that asks you if you are ready to shop for plans. Once you click Find Plans Now, a screen will pop up. During the open enrollment period, the year someone is looking for coverage will need to be chosen, in addition to the zip code. Next, you will need to select the type of plan that you are looking for. Examples of this will be a Medicare Advantage plan or Part C, a Medicare drug plan or Part D, and a Medigap policy. Once selected, click Next. The next screen will bring you to reviewing or comparing the plan results. The beneficiary's current plan will be highlighted at the top. Then the rest of the plans available in your county will be listed by the lowest cost plan, drug, and premium cost based on the search criteria. To begin an enrollment in a plan, click Enroll. Click Join Plan. Fill in the requested information to complete the enrollment. There are approximately 7 steps. If the beneficiary is enrolling through a logged-in search, most information will pre-populate. If not, the beneficiary will need to provide their Medicare number. Outside of fall open enrollment, the beneficiary must qualify for or select the appropriate special enrollment period. Enrollments done outside of open enrollment using a special enrollment period may trigger a confirmation letter from the plan, which must be completed and returned in order to complete the enrollment. Beneficiaries must watch for and respond to these mailings. Special enrollment periods available on the Plan Finder. It's important to not use the new to Medicare special enrollment period if someone is already enrolled in Medicare Part A. If the beneficiary has Medicare Part A and no longer has employer group health plan coverage, you will want to use the I left coverage from my employer or union, including COBRA, special enrollment period. As you continue scrolling, you will see all of the special enrollment periods that are available. As a reminder, using the SEP if joining a Part D plan after working past age 65 and now losing employer drug coverage or employer coverage, you will want to use the special enrollment period I left coverage from my employer or union, including COBRA coverage.